Hey guys, Lila's Tools here, and today we're going to be going over these Home Depot HDX interlocking storage organizers. So I have a pack that's brand new here, so let's just show you what they're like when you first get them. They do come with a piece of plastic over top of that piece of cardboard, just so you know. So there they are, a little bit of branding there. So what's special about these, or one of the features I suppose, is right here. You have a lock and unlock. Push that over to the side. This side, and there you go. But what that does, if we do it here on this next bin, it will allow us to lift this bin off, and if we put that back, put the lock on, there, you can see that, you're just grabbing it here, and they're locked. So that is a very cool feature, kind of like a Milwaukee pack-out kind of thing. So there they are. I'll just unlock them real quick so I can give you an overview. So if these are in lock position and you undo these, it will not open. So it's a sort of a second lock, if you will. Pull those forward. You can open them up. Here's the inside. All of the orange dividers are removable, as you can see. So you could keep that one as a big tray, have it real open, and customize to your heart's delight. So there's that. These are pretty sturdy. They do flex, but they're not brittle by any means. Does it say what they're made out of on them? It's a polypropylene. So it's not Milwaukee pack-out quality. Just some of the things they say you can put in there: medical, keys, first aid, fishing, tools, household, all that. If you guys have any storage from the Tactics brand, these are very similar. I think they're from the same company. Just a little piece of plastic there. So let's just go over a quick modification I did to mine. So here's another set of 3 I have. In this one, I have just got the stuff for my pegboard, accessories I use. This is what I used to keep pegs on my pegboard. Once the peg is in, I just put this over, put 2 screws in. These are rock solid, they don't wiggle side to side really, and they are not pulling out. So that's how I keep those in. But this is a nice little organizer for that. But if you'll notice, I took these orange tabs off. And why? Because I just want to be able to put these like this, grab one, put it back, and whatnot. So let me show you real quick how I did that. Slide it to the locked position. Is it the locked? Yeah, the locked position. Hold on. Open it first. Slide it to the locked position. Slide it backwards towards the back of the tray with the hinge. And just pull it off. Just like that. And you got some little piece of plastic you can feed to your dog or something. Don't do that. Don't listen to me. And don't turn these upside down either, because these will fall out. There's so many mods you could do with this. You could cut this out, make this a full bin. I wanted to get this video out to you guys soon. These are regular $13 Canadian for the set of 3. They're on for $9.99. $3.33 a piece. That's an excellent deal. You can't buy anything this good of an organizer at the dollar store. It's better quality, and they don't even sell something quite like this. So it's definitely good. And I thought I'd just show you here a couple more organization ideas. This one I'm keeping some zip ties, whites and blacks, and green, white, and black in there. It's not perfect for the zip ties I have, but it'll do for right now. There's that. Pardon me. And here's a nice little rivet kit I made up. It looks like this would fit in here better this way, but it just doesn't. It fits perfectly like that though. Some brand new rivets, other rivets. You can see that. So you can see how you can organize this. You can make it however you like. So there you go, guys. Just a little Home Depot HDX storage organizer. Also, you do turn these upside down. They do all stay in place. So that's good. But yeah, Home Depot HDX organizers. $9.99. Get them while they're hot. Head to your local depot and yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and all the good stuff. And yeah, see you next time. Take it easy.